In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a super smooth text animation in After Effects. Let's get started. Create a new composition. I'm going to set this to 60 frames per second so that we have a butter smooth animation, and it's 5 seconds long. And I'm going to rename this main comp. Hit OK. I'm going to drag in the background image that I have. You can just start with a solid color if you want. I'm going to scale this down to fit the composition. And I'm going to allow the background. Okay, let's grab the text tool and type in your text. I'm going to go for smooth and make the paragraph to the center and align it to the center of the composition. And here I'm using this font. Okay, let's scale it up a touch like that. And I'm going to add this full stop. Okay, so I'm going to center it to the composition. Let's go and collapse this text layer. Go to animate, and I'm going to add a tracking. Set the tracking amount to a negative value so that the text comes together like this. About a negative 150 should be fine. And what I also want to add is a position, because I want the text to start from the bottom, right? So that is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. And I'm going to increase this y-axis to maybe around 250, and I'm going to start from the bottom, and it will slide up and it will come up like that. Okay, so let's collapse this range selector and go to advanced, set the shape to ramp up, and right away you can see some changes here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to animate the offset values from a negative 100, set a keyframe, and move few frames ahead forward somewhere around here, and you can set this to a positive 100. So if you play it back now, you can see that this is what you have. All right, so we're gonna tweak some more settings here. So instead of going and adding a easy ease here in the keyframes, I will add it inside this advanced tab. So I'm gonna set the ease low to 100 and ease high to 50. And if I play back now, this is what I have. So right at the first frame, you can see the text is still visible. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add an opacity, and I'm going to set this opacity to 0 so that it starts from 0 and comes out 100 like that. Okay, so I'll also add a blur. I'm going to crank up the blur values to 100, and what you'll have is this. So once you have that, I'm going to add another animator here. So go to the animate, select this, and I'm going to add a position. So this time what I'm going to do is offset the x-axis, right? So I'm going to scrub it to the left, maybe a negative 150, and I'm going to go inside the range selector, go inside advanced, and change the shape to ramp up once again. And what I'm going to do is go here, the first frame, and offset to a negative 100, and go a little bit further from this keyframe, and I'm going to set this to positive 100 and set the ease low to 100 and its ease high to 50. And I forgot to add a keyframe here, so there should be a keyframe, negative 100 right about here. I'm going to set this to 100. So if I play it back now, you can see that you have a smoother animation like that at the end here, smoother than the previous one, right? You can play with the offset values of this. You can just offset the keyframe here, and you can see you have a different effect here. You can see that you'll have a, maybe I'll stick with the first one. If you want more movement, you can just select this, move it away further. You can just go into animator 1 again, and maybe I'll crank up the position values to 350. You see that? That's really smooth now. Once you are happy with the animation, you can just turn on the motion blur for the layer and for the composition. And if you're just starting out with After Effects, you can go check my course. I have a discount running. You can use this coupon code MD2025 to avail 40% discount. I hope you learned something from this. This is Motion Designer, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.